Hi everyone, I am Shahan. Welcome back to my channel Dr. Shahan's class, and in this video I will discuss about Tourette syndrome. Now you must be wondering why I am showing this picture of this girl. This is a picture of an American singer. I will reveal the name of this singer who was having the same syndrome which we are going to learn about, that is Tourette syndrome. So I will make you learn, and I will also tell you about a film. You know it. That is an Indian film. Can you guess? Yes, this is Hitchki. It is Hitchki. It was played by Rani Mukherjee, and there you have find out this syndrome which we are learning, that is the Tourette syndrome. So, my dear students, please take your time and guess the name of this American singer. Till then, let's start learning. What is Tourette syndrome? Tourette syndrome is a neurological condition. So, there is a nerve problem. There is a nervous problem, and it involves automatic unconscious movement, and that is known as tics. Tics are particularly motor movement. Certain kind of motor movement these people used to do. I will tell you about the different kinds of tics, but always remember there are two kinds of tics. One is the motor tics, another is the vocal tics. So what is tics? Tic is nothing but automatic. It occurs automatically. Unconscious movement, such as eye blinking. Someone is blinking, continuously blinking the eye. So that is a kind of tics. Or someone is just coughing continuously, continuously doing the same thing without any cough and cold. So that is nothing but a kind of tics. That I will discuss today. What is Tourette syndrome? Let's discuss vividly. Now, what are simple tics? Number one is eye blinking, which I already told you. Eye blinking. A child came to the psychiatrist or neuropsychiatrist, and the child was continuously blinking eyes. So that is eye blinking. This is simple tics. Another simple tics is eye darting. Another one is swallowing. Some patient continuously swallow. Like whenever we swallow, some movement occurs in our neck, and that continuously the patient does. That is swallowing tics. Another is coughing, which I already told you, doing all the time, coughing. Another is shoulder shrugging. You know this, shoulder shrugging. Another is the head jerking the head continuously, jerking head. Another is nose twisting. Someone twist their nose continuously. And another is the lip twitching. Sometimes lip twitching, sometimes lip smacking. You know what is lip smacking? Taking out of the tongue and continuously going around the lip. That is lip smacking. Another is barking, grunting, making a particular kind of noise from the voice, from the inside of the voice. They are particularly making a kind of barking noise or grunting noise, or throat clearing, continuously throat clearing. So most people with these kinds of tics, which I already discussed, maybe motor tics or vocal tics, these tics are having a particular syndrome, and the name of the syndrome, always remember, it is nothing but Tourette syndrome. This is Tourette syndrome. Now, as I promised, I will reveal the name so you can see it clearly. This is Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish is an American singer, and she actually revealed in her Instagram handle that she is having a particular condition known as Tourette syndrome. You know, Tourette syndrome is a disease where the particular patient has a certain kind of tics. It may be a motor tics, certain kind of movement. Motor tics means certain kind of movement tics. And vocal tics, it may be like throat clearing or grunting or barking, certain kind of voice clearing. All these are voice tics, vocal tics. So two kinds of tics. Now why I am showing this? Because these are the famous personalities who have Tourette syndrome. Another one is very famous, and that is David Beckham. You know, David Beckham is one of the most celebrated English football player, and you know he played for Manchester United, Preston North in England, Real Madrid, Milan, Los Angeles Galaxy, as well as England national team. So he also had a particular kind of Tourette syndrome, and sometimes this Tourette syndrome are manifested as or through OCD. So these are the people who are the famous people who had Tourette syndrome. I also do not claim any kind of misinformation. I just took it from different blogs where I found these examples so that you can understand the disease better. This video is not for defaming any kind of great personalities like David Beckham and Billie Eilish. I just want to share that they also had this, and I just got it from the internet source. So please subscribe this channel. This channel contains so many medical videos. All these are completely free, 400 plus. You can go to the medicine playlist and you can subscribe and write down in the comment section below. Bye bye.